Hey, what's up everybody? Tech360 here, and in today's video, we will be looking at the #1 F6 smartwatch. Now this is my very first review of any smartwatch, although I do use one every day. Now when you're living your life on a budget, not everyone has hundreds of dollars to invest in a smartwatch, and today you don't have to because this watch is affordably priced. So without any further ado, let's get into it. A special shout out to GearBest for sending this product out to me for review, but don't you worry because that's not going to interfere with me presenting you with a solid review that you can trust. Alright, inside the box you find the smartwatch, and I must say it is a very impressive looking watch, which is exactly my style because I love the Casio G-Shock watches, and when I place these two side by side, you can definitely see the resemblance. Also included in the box is a black magnetic charging cable and a user manual, which is printed in several different languages. Alright, now the watch is rocking a 350 milliamp battery with a standby time of 120 days. It has a black silicone band, and the case is made up of stainless steel and silicone. I also love the gold and white lettering. It looks good against the black. Alright, now there are 4 function buttons, and if we turn the watch over, you will see the contacts for the magnetic charging cable. Alright, now let's check out the features because you're getting a lot here on this smartwatch. First, it's a pedometer that tracks steps, distance, and calories burned. Heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, sports mode, which tracks running, cycling, basketball, swimming, table tennis, badminton, climbing, football. Each exercise tracks movement time, calories burned, and heart rate. It has an IP68 waterproof rating, so I can wash my hands, take a swim, or even take a shower while wearing it. What else? Yeah, it's a stopwatch. You can set up several different alarm clocks, receive your last 8 text messages from your smartphone. Also, you can receive social media notifications. You also have a total of 5 watch faces to choose from, all with pretty large fonts for easy reading. The Smartwatch app is called Fondue and is available for your iOS and Android device. You can either search for the app on your Google Play or the App Store, or you can just use your smartphone and scan the QR code right on the watch. Alright, so the opening screen gives you a quick rundown of your daily progress along with your best, average, and last week's totals. Next is your analyst, which covers your steps and sleep stats for the last 7 days. Here is your heart monitor, which includes your average, max, and minimum rates. There's an activity report available for you to see how active or inactive you've been. If I tap on more, it's going to give you more. Wow. Okay, first it shows if your smart device is connected. Next, there's a Find Your Smartwatch feature, which will vibrate and send a soft tone to your watch. The camera feature will allow you to remotely take a picture from your smartphone. You can change your unit settings here, connect to Apple Health. Application push allows you to control which notifications are pushed to your smartphone. You have call notifications and text notifications. Sedentary remind, which is going to tell you to get off your butt because you've been sitting too long. You can set drinking water reminders, raise your hand switch to turn on the watch. Remind mode controls how you are notified on your smartwatch. There's a heart rate test and a do not disturb mode. So there you have it, several cool features on this smartwatch. And like I said at the beginning, I think it's perfect for us who are on a strict budget. Maybe you're doing some do-it-yourself work around the house and you still want to track your movement. Well, put on this instead of that more expensive watch, which brings me to the price. At the time of this video, GearBest has a special going on, and if you like it, you can pick this watch up for $32.89. I'll leave my link in the description so you can check it out. Now, if someone should ask me what is the one thing I don't like about this watch, I would have to say it's the display when I'm outside. On a bright day, you can barely see the time. Now, I know it looks a little strange on the video, but the only issue is that it's very dim. But when I think of the price and the amount of features you're getting here, I say it's a pretty sweet deal. Alright crew, it's a wrap. So tell me what fitness tracker you are using in your everyday life. Now I need you to do a few things for me. First, drop me some comments on this video below. Number 2, click the like button if this video has been helpful to you, even a tiny bit. And number 3, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my video uploads. Alright everybody, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my very next video.